This advanced machine automatically molds bricks and places them directly on the ground to dry, efficient and fast for large-scale projects. This automated machine precisely cuts and shapes wire to mass-produce iron nails with high efficiency and speed. A massive 4,000-ton hydraulic forging press executes heavy forging operations by compacting glowing metal under immense pressure, forming strong and durable large-scale industrial components such as wind turbine shafts. Powered by cutting-edge CNC technology, a multi-axis machining center sculpts raw steel into intricate rotational designs with micron-level precision. As heavy-duty cutting tools engage the rotating workpiece, they seamlessly remove excess material to achieve complex contours. Such a high level of automation represents the future of precision engineering, where speed and consistency redefine industrial manufacturing standards. Witness precision in motion. Here's how high-performance locking nuts are automatically assembled for ultimate reliability. Experience the future of factory automation. Behold the sheer power of modern manufacturing as this colossal equipment crafts flawless deep bores, ensuring the utmost precision for these oversized engineering marvels. The steel is heated to a brilliant glowing red in the forge. Then it's skillfully placed into the mold, where the powerful press shapes it into a durable shovel head with incredible force. Finally, the glowing piece is immersed in a cooling bath to lock in its strength and durability. Watch as raw clay is fed into the machine and sliced into even chunks. Then it enters the roller die molds, where it's precisely pressed into the initial shape of a cup. After that, the pieces move into the drying room for moisture removal before being carefully unloaded by robotic arms. Next, the cups are transferred to a trimming turntable to perfectly smooth their edges. Finally, they're organized on a conveyor belt and stacked inside the kiln for the ultimate firing process. Modern technology has truly transformed farming, making the process of planting rice much faster and significantly more efficient. This advanced rice transplanter is a great help to farmers, allowing them to save a tremendous amount of time and physical effort in the fields. Experience the marvel of modern agriculture with this high-speed automated egg packing line. Watch as thousands of fresh eggs are carefully sorted, aligned, and safely transferred into cartons with absolute precision. Efficiency and care come together to bring you farm-fresh quality, untouched by human hands. This video shows a road rail excavator performing repairs or maintenance on a railway track. Check out these cutting-edge robotic robots in action. First, one precisely levels the floor, and then another follows right behind to lay the tiles with incredible precision.